We went to the steakhouse. We saw some show with the circus and the kids. We went to the bar. And then Benji saw the captain.
And I'm not going back to the kitchen.
We actually didn't see the captain, but we saw the first officers. Yeah. The real guys that drive the boat.
The actual guys that drive the boat.
The MFICs. Look at the old fortress right there. We're gonna circle around and park right over there. So we're just arriving in Old San Juan. What do you think, Emma? Pretty cool, no? Damn, there's 2 other ships in today. That means we're gonna be the 3rd ship. It's gonna be busy. There is the Disney ship. It's a Disney Wonder, I think, or is that Disney Dream? I'm not sure. And here we are, arriving in Old San Juan.
Wow!
Wow! So we are here in Old San Juan. We just got off the ship. We were gonna do a walking tour. Actually, I had like a pretty good little walking tour planned, but I think the heat is getting to everybody. So we pivoted a little bit and we found our tour guide over here. Like $20, $25 a person. He's gonna give us an 1.5 to 2 hour tour in his air-conditioned van. Air conditioning is a little suspect, but it's fine. I think it's actually a good way to kind of get a general feel, especially for the people in our group that have never been here before. Give us a good overview, and then he'll leave us over by the Castillo at the end in an 1.5 to 2 hours. And at that Castillo, where we can go take photos and then kind of do a slow walk back towards the ship. We made it to Old San Juan, and first stop is getting nieve. Stay hydrated, guys. What do you think? You having fun? Yeah, you like it? It's good that we're in the bus. We're not getting all wet. You know how she won the election, we don't need a picture here, Erika.
Yeah.
No, I'm just saying. Ay, Erika, son fuerzas, huh?
We're just taking a picture back to work.
There you go. I like that energy. Keep it up, you know? Oh, look at that, Papa. So we are here in Old San Juan. We finished our little bus tour. It was about $20 a person. Really, it was just kept us out of the rain for a few hours, and it was really just like a taxi ride up here. My preference would be to just take a taxi up here to the Castillo, which is here on the corner, and then you kind of work your way back down towards the boat, because it's really all downhill. And if you walk directly from here, the Castillo, back to the ship, it's 20 minutes direct. If you take your time, explore, stop for botanitas, a few refreshments, you can spend all afternoon and have a great little walk. So I just purchased our entrance fee here. It's $10 for an adult, 16 and above. Kids are free. Oh wow, look at the iguana, that's cool. Oh wow. Oh, that's cool. Oh, there's one over there too, no? In the distance?
Yeah.
Está dormido, no? Está padre, ¿no? Un buen vista. See, okay, we gotta go to a couple of these lookout points, you know? Right, here we are inside the Castillo. The bathrooms are really cool. Got a great view in the men's room. All the bathrooms, all the little rooms here. There are these areas where obviously there should be like a cannon going through there. Pretty cool if you think about an old cannon lined up in there. Some of them you can walk out to the edge. You get a picture of Tere at that point right here. Wow. Está padre, ¿no? Okay, hold on. Un foto primero.
Emma, is this your new house?
Okay.
A ver, ustedes enfrente.
One photo. I feel like I'm swaying a little bit, you know? Like when I walk on stable ground.
Oh yeah, me too. I'm glad I'm not the only one.
Ethan, how was that iguana that you didn't see that iguana sitting next to you? Did it scare you?
That was a big iguana.
Are you having fun, Emma?
Yeah.
Are you happy? You saw iguana on the wall?
Yeah.
Agua. This is really solid. It's not going anywhere.
No, over there. It's very low. I'm okay.
Yeah, well, you gotta be careful. Carlos bought a kite. We're just finishing up here at the Castillo. ¿Todo bien?
Todo bien. Excelente.
Hard to see, but there's a big storm. Big cloud. And a lot of rain coming, so. So where did we stop? We stopped here at a local bar. Ay, ¿qué pasó? ¿Cómo estás?
Estamos probando la leche de tigre, ¿no? No, leche de dragón. Leche de dragón, papi. Y mi suegro pidió 2 porque quiere hoy para adentro y para afuera y para aventar para todos lados como agua de nievecita, papi, de vainilla.
Sí.
Como brazo de albañil.
Estamos aquí. Mi camarada José, my friend, the friend that we met yesterday.
Oh yeah.
Saludos, José,
José.
desde Puerto Rico.
Thank you for the rum yesterday.
The rum, it was super good.
I apologize for my friend's blurry camera phone. Clean your lens, cabrón.
Whatever.
Hey, let's go in here. We'll experience some culture. That was what Josh said. Oh, how cool is this golf cart? Are you feeling better or are you still hot?
I'm feeling better.
So hot, you can't really tell in the video because it's a video, but it's hot. Super hot. But we're working our way back to the ship.
Wait, we're going back to the ship? I thought we were going to the shops.
No, the umbrella store. Or the umbrella street. Let's see you dance. Go. No, but over there. Come on.
No, 20.
5. That's good. She does. Her favorite dance move is like back that ass up. Look at that. That's a big boat. Alright, so we're obviously heading back to the ship. We've had a great day. Our day was kind of sidetracked. I didn't really take some video in the afternoon because like after we finished at the Castillo, we went to a local bar. We had a great time at the local bar, had some great food, great drinks. And then the plan was to go down to the that famous street with all the umbrellas, which everybody always gets photos of in Old San Juan, but all the umbrellas were closed, like removed. And apparently from the local police officer that we spoke with, it's because they're changing it to something else. They're changing the set, I don't know. But it is what it is. We still had a great time. Here we are at the boardwalk. It's quite the view right there at the ship, in front of the ship. We are almost back to the ship. Looks like we maybe have a little medical situation. Got some ambulances over there in the port, but hopefully everything's okay. Benji's taking a few photos because he wants to get a few photos of the ship, and we're about to get back on the ship. This is getting,
are so good.
but this is getting the feelings. The feelings are coming, you know? Really. Come on. Are you done eating? Comer. ¿No quieres más?
Hey, with this food, with this song, I can do 5 ice creams.
Yeah. 5
Without this, I can do only 2.
ice creams.
With all this, I can do 5 ice creams.
Oh no, we had a big afternoon after San Juan today. Then we went to the Italian place, Cucino de Capitan, which is very good. Great service. Benji, you love the mussels, right?
Oh my God. The mussels and clams espectaculares del toro di Baro, como mi familia italiana.
We're all running out of gas because we have an early morning tomorrow. So maybe we'll go to bed soon. We're just having a little nightcap, a couple drinks, a couple cocktails, and then we head to bed. And we're gonna change our location because we left all the wives at this location, so now we need to go to a different bar before they find us.
They know the spots, right?
Yeah.
They already know the spots.
Yeah. They know our local spot, so we gotta find a new local spot. Ay, little postre, huh? Pásale, pásale.
¿Cómo te sientes?
Bueno, we want to say hi. Hola, hola. Hola, familia. Una fiesta.
Que te ibas a librar, no, mi madre. A ver, ahorita va a llegar el mariachi. Para.
Venimos a la pijamada.
No, we came to drop them off for Teddy's room. And I was going to get your room key so we have more buying power.
Ay, mamá.
Aquí estamos bien escuchados viendo
Bye, mamá.
televisión.
Bye. Vamos. We'll be right back, Emma, okay? We'll be right back.
A ver, no, cántale a tío. Quiero que te escuche cantar.
Oh, yeah.
Pimpone su muñeco muy guapo y de cartón. Muy guapo. ¿Qué? No,
vamos.
se lava sus manitas con agua y con jabón.
All right, I'll see you in a little bit. Bye, I love you.
She's so cute.
Bye.
Dale despacito a daddy.
Okay? Bye. Y beso. Okay, go with mommy. Bye. Stay. Okay, bye. Oh, we're going to the white party. That's where we're going. Benji, you scaring everybody.
Yeah.
Scaring your children, okay?
It was fun.
You scared me.
I scared people.
I am wearing a white shirt. It's going to be brown in a second, you know?